bike showing up at the house. Looks Italian. Dirt up in there. What do you think, Matilda? Well, kid tested. What do you think, Matilda? You like it? That's not where the key goes. Here, okay, let me take that back. Here, this goes here. And this goes back on there, okay? Yeah, you got the buttons. You found the buttons. Good job. I cannot find out where the key goes. I have no idea where the key goes. I'm like, where is it? Where does the key go? No clue. No clue. I have some stuff to do. I'll talk about this in a super... This is just the intro. Oh, Matilda, our dinner's ready. Yeah. Okay, we gotta go upstairs to get our dinner. It's always a thing. But now we have the... Things are finally back to normal. The 701, F750. Finally have a Beta back. And then we have the GS outside, sitting in the sun. I'll make this quick because you know how much I hate mosquitoes. We're back with a Beta. Oh, they're already swarming me. Effers. I want to make like a 4-minute video and I'm going to make like a 10-second video because these damn mosquitoes. I had, it's my third or fourth bike ever, a 2016 Beta. It's a 500 RRS. I bought it for $7 grand in 2018, sold it in 2020 for $7 grand after putting a bunch of stuff into it, obviously, but those don't, modifications don't count. This is a 390 Race Edition 2018. I like the pre-2020 bikes when they basically changed a bunch of stuff in 2020, mostly for the better. I like this generation of the Betas a lot more. And I sold my K75 RT Cafe Racer to my riding buddy, Red Card, a couple of years ago before I moved to Charlotte. And he just bought a new 380 or 480 Beta demo bike or new bike, whatever. And he had two. He doesn't need his 390 anymore. So he said, hey, you want to buy my 390? And here we are. So I bought this for $4,000. That is post-COVID $4,000. And I actually paid $4,850 because he included a Trailtech Voyager Pro with the mount and all the hardware, a speed sensor cable that tore, a Recluse Radius CX 4.0, which has not been installed, it's brand new in the box, and a couple other things. Basically, the bike is, this bike is actually, this is a Race Edition, so it has the Race Edition front suspension with a leaking fork seal, but it also includes the Öhlins TTX rear shock, which is the previous owner, who was a racer. Supposedly his numbers were 611, owned, but it's worn. It has supposedly, I don't think this is true. Supposedly it has 6,000 miles on it. I don't believe that actually, honestly, based on the condition of it. And it's not burning or consuming any oil at all. So I don't think it actually is as bad as it, as 6,000 miles would suggest. Came with a stock seat, also came with the Seat Concepts Comfort Tall. It came with the Domino throttle tamer, a Cerebus handguards, arc clutch and brake levers. What else did it come with? Oh, the 3 or 4 gallon IMS. This is the 4 gallons, which I have on my old 2016, a 4 gallon IMS tank. And all the race stuff means you get like the pull levers, you get all the red titanium bolts, you get all the red dude tickies by doing a Race Edition. Obviously, a linkage bike, which I love. It's a linkage bike. It just makes me so happy. On order, you guys know me. On order, new plastics, new graphics, new cover for this seat from Seat Concepts, new chain guards, chain guides, etc., new mud guard, new frame guards, touch-up paint, new skid plate, new brake lever, new shifter. This has the race impeller, water impeller in here, but I have the radiator cooling fan coming in, because if you're racing, you don't need a cooling fan. You're just go, go, go. I'm not racing, and so I ordered the $200 Beta radiator cooling kit that does that. Also on order, and obviously new cowl and new front fender with the new graphics, a Moto-minded LED headlight, which is plug and play with the dimmer switch, new Acerbis handguards, basically the same thing as on right now, but it's just new. It's new. New grips, mirrors. What else did I order? Shit. It doesn't need brakes. It doesn't need anything else. I'm not doing I'm going to do the Recluse. He also included a Recluse clutch cover here too. I'm going to install the Recluse with the clutch cover, as well as the steel impeller, the steel gears. They're plastic in there, and a new clutch gasket, and of course new fluid this winter. I'm not going to do it this summer unless I get a crazy long 4-day weekend where I have no child and have a lot going on. But so I didn't order that, but basically I have another $200 in parts in a cart that I need to order to do all that stuff, because I'm going to do all that at the same time. I also have a purchase order in with Solid Performance at a PA to send them this rear shock and to send them the 2 front forks and have them set them up for my weight and riding style. Also have a license plate thing, a new silencer guard here will come in. What else? That's pretty much it. I'm gonna stick with those pegs for now. See how I like them. I'm privy to the IMS rally pegs, but I'll stick with those for now. But that should get me pretty much where I want to be. And the speed sensor, of course, I'll do that too. But pretty much where I want to be for this bike to be, you know, to look new. I also want to do a starter cover over here too. That's gonna be that 150, that plus the gasket. But not gonna do that. Also, is this a plastic case saver? Yeah, it's a plastic case saver. So maybe when I order one of those from like someone, when I do the Recluse clutch slave cylinder, that'll be done as well. But the frame, it has a lot of nicks and dings in it, a lot of little chips and stuff, but I'm gonna take you guys mobile and show you the bike. But hey, it supposedly was raced, and amazing that it's not burning oil. Truly, truly amazing that it's not burning oil. But yeah, here it is. And that graphics kit also includes new graphics for the wheels as well. So that'll be nice to have those graphics spiced up a little bit. It has these Michelin Mousse stuff in there. These are Tusk tires. But yeah, I don't know what the Michelin Mousse is. I need to do more Googling on it. But as you can see, these have just been, you know, these are just torn up. And new grips, new guards. The clutch is dragging. I don't know how to explain it, but the clutch feels like it's dragging a little bit, but I'll need to adjust that a little bit. This is a very soft clutch pull here. Mirrors are just whatever. I mean, these are whatever mirrors. No turn signals. It does have a working brake light and a working headlight, so it'll pass New Hampshire inspection, but it has no turn signals, which is fine. I won't be on the pavement very often with this. I wasn't on my old Beta either. I do want to do the full FMF power bomb and exhaust, maybe over the winter, but for now I'm just gonna get a new, this is 25 bucks, a new cover here. I've already ordered everything, so total cost $48.50. That's the bike, and the stuff that's not installed yet, like the Trail Tech Pro and the Recluse and the other stuff that he included with it. Also the original tank, he still has that. Also this is beefy radiator guards too. And then I just spent $1,500 on parts that I'll have come in. Solid Performance will probably come in around the $1,000 price to have them revalve and respring. Also add an X-Trig to this for height adjustment, and then have them refurbish the front forks and fix that weeping, on this side now, the weeping seal, which supposedly I can do myself. I just don't know how to do it. But is it there? I can't find it. And of course, yeah, the skid plate needs to be replaced. But you can see here on this ignition, the starter cover here, how what I'm talking about, how it's just sad. It's just sad and tired. I want to replace it because it's ugly. Yeah, I know, boots scuff it up, but I want to replace it because it's ugly. And of course, oil change kit's coming, air filter kit's coming, etc., etc., etc. So this is my new, I'm the third owner, my new 2018 Beta Race Edition. Thanks, Harry, for selling it to me. $90 to register it for 15 months. That's going to be like $70 a year to keep registered in the state of New Hampshire, and $100 a year for insurance. No, $125 a year for insurance, which I take these off and drop them to comprehensive only in October and November. So it's really more like 75, 80 bucks a year to keep it insured. So running rate, $200 a year, It's probably gonna need a top end in the next couple of years given the mileage, but I'm gonna wait until it's consuming oil before I do that, or, you know, giving me problems with power reduction. Yeah, so this is the Beta. Lots of videos coming because I have a lot of parts on order. I can't wait to do them all for you. I took some of the sticker off here so you can see the plastics are fine. They're all in good shape. So I only ordered some of the plastics, the front fender and the front headlight, because this has a strap here, but this side does not. And so it's held on with a zip tie. And so there's no place to put the strap there. So ordered a new one of those. But other than that, I'm just gonna order new graphics. The 2018 Race Edition graphics will go on here. You know, this rear shock probably is okay for a little bit without redoing it to my weight, because you see how much space I have left on the preload there to adjust it, but I still want them to look at it. Okay, that'll do it. Mosquitoes are killing me. Gotta go back to work. Thanks for watching, everyone, and hello to the new dirt bike.